can't trust a hoe, you know how I go. I ain't crazy, I keep the phone on the Nintendo. You can't play me, niggas bitches let me wanna fuck me, that's why they hate me. Escaped death twice, so I guess I got time to take me.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the Widget photo app on your iPhone, iOS 14 only. And yeah, let's get straight into it. First thing first, open up the App Store, search up Photo Widget. This should be the app that you're looking for, Photo Widget Simple. I will leave it in the description below for you to download it. Once you're done downloading it, open it up. You could add 3 photos, but since I already did that, these are the 3 photos I'm using. But I'm gonna just show you anyways, just in case. Tap on the photo that you want, press select, and it will add. Once you're done doing that, go back to the home screen. Hold down on the home screen. Tap on the plus sign at the top of your screen. Scroll down. Press on Photo Widget. I'm gonna use a small one. Press Add Widget. And as you can see, it will add to your screen just like that. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any problems in the comment section below, and I will be willing to help you out if you have any problems. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.